Hi. Welcome to our first tutorial. Welcome to WordPressFamily.com. Here you can find free WordPress themes, plugins, tutorials, articles about SEO and monetization. But, now let's see how to install WordPress to a hosting account. Let's suppose that you bought a hosting package from one of hosting providers, and you want to install WordPress. Most of hosting providers have scripts including WordPress, that you can install with one click. If you don't, follow the next steps. So, before you begin the install, there are a few things you need to check. You need full access to your site and its directories and software to proceed with the installation. These are, access to your web server, via shell or FTP. Account details needed. A text editor, Notepad will be enough. You will use it to edit wp-config PHP. An FTP client, we recommend you FileZilla. Your web browser of choice. If you checked all these things, you can move forward. Check if your web hosts have the minimum requirements to run WordPress. Download the latest version of WordPress. Unzip the downloaded file to a folder on your hard drive. Be prepared with a secure password for your secret key. Here's the quick version of the instructions, for users who are familiar with such operations. More detailed instructions you can find on the WordPress website. So, download and unzip the WordPress package if you haven't already. Create a database for WordPress on your web server, as well as a MySQL user who has all privileges for accessing and modifying it. Most of host providers have detailed tutorials on how to create a MySQL database. Upload the WordPress files in the desired location on your web server. If you want to integrate WordPress into the root of your domain, move or upload all contents of the unzipped WordPress directory into the root directory of your web server. If you want to have your WordPress installation in its own subdirectory on your website, create the blog directory on your server and upload WordPress to the directory via FTP. As part of the WordPress installation, you must modify the wp-config PHP file to define the WordPress configuration settings required to access your MySQL database. This file, wp-config PHP, does not exist in a downloaded copy of WordPress. You need to create it. The wp-config sample PHP file is provided as an example to work from. Save it as wp-config PHP before editing. Advanced settings and examples are provided below. To change the wp-config PHP file for your installation, you will need this information. Database name. Database name used by WordPress. Database username. Username used to access database. Database password. Password used by username to access database. Database host. The host name of your database server. A port number, Unix socket file path or pipe may be needed as well. Run the WordPress installation script by accessing wp-admin/install PHP in a web browser. Wait until the installation is done. Congratulations! WordPress should now be installed. The address of the whole article can be found in the details of this video. We hope that you enjoyed our company. Don't forget to visit our website, www.wordpressfamily.com. Comments and sharing are really appreciated. Join the WordPress family. Thanks for watching.